Hi guys! Welcome back to Bona's Kitchen. Today, we will make kutsinta. Kutsinta is a Filipino steamed cake known for its sticky, chewy, soft gelatinous texture. It is one of the most popular Filipino desserts. Let's get cooking! We will need 1½ cup of brown sugar, 1 cup of tapioca flour or cassava flour, 1 cup of plain flour, 3 cups of water, 1 teaspoon of annatto powder diluted in 2 tablespoons of hot water, 1 tablespoon of lye water, and grated coconut for toppings. You can also check the full list of ingredients in the description below. To start, grease the molds with oil. After greasing, set them aside. In a bowl, add the tapioca flour or cassava flour, plain flour, brown sugar, and give it a whisk. Then, add the water, continue mixing, add in the diluted annatto powder. And lye water, and continue mixing until they well combine. Scoop the mixture and fill each mold about 3/4 full. You can also fill this mold up to the top if you want a bigger kutsinta. Now, put them in the steamer. And steam it for about 20 to 30 minutes or until a toothpick inserted in the center comes out clean. Once it's cooked, transfer it into a wire rack to completely cool before unmolding them. Once it's cooled, unmold it and transfer it to a plate. And here's our finished product! This kutsinta is so good! Perfect for merienda! Before serving, top the kutsinta with grated coconut or grated cheddar cheese. Please don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and hit the bell. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Bye!